Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another AGIX price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the AGIX chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at around the $0.646 mark in the formation of that wave 3, and this Elliot structure right here in yellow is a fractal wave within the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upside, and that is after fully maximizing our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the AGIX chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 of this Elliot wave structure right here in red, and in the formation of that wave 5, which is an impulsive wave, we also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 5, having the wave 5 of the fractal wave fully maximizing our target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And I believe we are seeing such a scenario over here, where you can see that after seeing the low for that 4th wave to the lower side, we saw that bounce to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.5 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, fully maximizing our blue target area in the formation of that wave 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gave me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.64532 mark, and that is the minimum that I was expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do. And once we fully maximize our target areas, I'll be expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upside. So here on the AGIX chart, whatever I'm expecting next is that I'm expecting AGIX to fully maximize our target area at around the $0.64 mark in the formation of this wave 3, and also see a pullback in this wave 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 5. And for that move to also play out, we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA and also above the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.5 mark. So we need to mark the wave 1 high over here on the charts, because that is another key decision high that we need to continue holding above. In case we lose it, then we might see another sharp decrease, that is a sharp pullback to the lower side over here. But as long as we are holding above it, we have the chances of fully maximizing our target area in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3. And for those that are not new to the channel and have been watching my AGIX videos, you know that I gave you this call to buy AGIX from these low prices down here within this blue target area, and by now I know you are up by more than 51%, and that is a very nice trade to the upper side. And for those that might be interested in getting such trade signals, make sure that you use the link in the description box to contact me on Telegram, so that I can give you instructions on how you're going to join my paid membership group, so that I can give you these trade signals and more. And getting further into the technical analysis, and also give you my next price targets to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the AGIX chart. If I zoom out, you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that as the first wave, giving us a peak at around the $0.13 mark. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, then a wave 3 giving us a peak at around the $0.678 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, fully maximizing our yellow target area down here. And after seeing the formation of that wave 4, whatever we expect next is the formation of that wave 5, and I believe that is what is playing out, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.84971 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 5 to the upside to do, and that is just a minimum target area. So note that there are chances of managing to fully maximize it and also continue breaking through other key areas on the Fibonacci's. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 67 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 5 to the upside. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, and we're also seeing an increase in the buying momentum here on the MACD, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.